Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will share my experience of two beautiful places in Japan called Jogashima Island and Miura Beach. Don't miss to watch this video. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and also like, share and give your valuable comments. So let's get started. You can find some commute options here. We are heading towards Misakiguchi station by KQ line and it takes about 47 minutes from Yokohama station. After getting down at Misakiguchi station, we took a bus to Jogashima by Keihin Kyoku bus. It takes 28 minutes. This bridge is considered as Asia's longest box girder bridge, which is 575 meters, connecting Jogashima with Miura. You can see the beautiful view of seashore on both sides. To walk towards the island and lighthouse, you need to cross the subway. If you're planning to visit this place, I would recommend to wear a sport shoes as you have to hike a lot in the island. From top you can see the beautiful island. It is an amazing view. There are steps downward to reach the shore. Seawater is very clear. In the southern hiking trail, you can enjoy the splendid view of a mysteriously beautiful form of rock created by nature, the Yumenose Domon, which means horseback cave. It is a cave created by seawater erosion. This cave was submerged in the sea before, but was uplifted above the sea level due to the 1923 Kanto earthquake. Surrounded by volcanic rocks, this cave impresses viewers with its magnificent view of the Pacific Ocean stretching out from it. There were many big birds, so if you are planning for picnic with family or kids, be careful while eating snacks or food. We could not recognize which bird it was, but probably they were eagles. While we were having food in the garden, one big bird swooped down on us to grab the food. So you need to be careful while eating food in the open space. Then we headed towards Jogashima Prefectural Park. At the entrance, we were welcomed by some beautiful flowers. The park is very big and well maintained. It is a good place to visit with kids or with family. You can have a small picnic here as the area is very big. Also, they have 2 to 3 observatory spots. From the top you can experience the beautiful view of Jogashima Island, lighthouse and surrounding places. There are few benches in the park so you can sit, have food and enjoy the beautiful island view. It made our day. Jogashima Lighthouse was first constructed in 1870. It is the fourth oldest Western style lighthouse to be built in Japan and the second oldest surviving to the present day. Unfortunately, we did not go near the lighthouse, but we saw the lighthouse from top of the mountain. On the clear days, you can see Mount Fuji from across the bay. Like you can see, from here we found one guy enjoying his time by parasailing. Also, please check the weather. On clear days, you can experience the overwhelming waves and lucky sunset over the island. We did not wait till the sunset, but I can imagine how beautiful it will be. If you plan to visit Jogashima, you can also visit a beautiful beach nearby called Miura Beach. The Miura Kaigan stop is just one stop before Misakiguchi station on the Keikyu line. It is just a 5-minute walk from the train station. You can also find some special round-trip sale for tickets on Keikyu line train. There are rental bicycles available in this area so you can use them to go around the nearby places. The Miura beach is popular for its seaside resorts, fresh seafood and several water sports such as windsurfing, scuba diving and stand-up paddle boarding. The sand in this beach is very nice compared to other beaches in the area. Hope you liked this video. If you find this video interesting, please hit the like and subscribe button, share your valuable comments. Also, please share the video. I'll post more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.